Hello students, I am Rajiv Kumar, your maths teacher, class 9th, subject maths, part 10, chapter 1, number system, topic laws of indices, exponents of real numbers. These are of two types. It means exponents having two types. First is positive exponents for any real number a and positive integer n. Define a power n as a power n is equal to a into a into a into and so on into a n factor. For example, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 power 5 is equal to 32, because here 2 is 5 times. For any non-zero real number x, we define x power 0 is equal to 1. For example, 5 power 0 is equal to 1, and other examples are given, etc. Second, negative exponents for any non-zero real number a and a positive integer n. We define a power minus n is equal to 1 upon a power n. If a power minus n, so it may be represented in this form. For example, 3 power minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 3 power 4. So 1 upon 3 4 times is equal to 1 upon 81. Laws of indices. First product law, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. If bases are same, so power will be added. For example, 2 power 3 into 2 power 2 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 2. Power will be added because base are same. So 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Second, quotient law. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. In case of division, power will be subtracted. For example, 2 power 3 divided by 2 power 2 is equal to 2 power 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 power 1, so it is 2. Third, power law. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. It is known as power law. For example, 2 power 3 whole power 2, power of power, so powers multiplied, 2 power 3 into 2, so 2 power 6, and 2 power 6 is equal to 64. Fourth part, a into b whole power m, so power a power m into b power m. For example, 2 into 3 whole power 4, so 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16 and 3 power 4 is 81. So if you multiply these two numbers, you get 1296. Fifth, a divided by b whole power m is equal to a power m divided by b power m. For example, 3 divided by 5 whole square, so 3 square divided by 5 square is equal to 9 divided by 25, because 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25 is equal to 9 upon 25. And sixth, a power 0 is equal to 1 when a does not equal 0. For example, 5 power 0 is equal to 1. And seventh, a power minus n is equal to 1 upon a power n. For example, 3 power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 square is equal to 1 upon 9. Okay.